Standard 7th Maths, Chapter 12, Perimeter and Area. Practice set 47. Find the total surface area of cubes having the following sides. Okay, so cubes. Cubes means what? A square shape. बर्फ का टुकड़ा होता है ना. So okay. So square shape kind of cubes. Ludo खेलते हो ना आप लोग. That Ludo dice. That dice is said to be cubes. So now they have asked find the total surface area. So there is a formula. The total surface area of cubes is equals to 6 into लीटर स्क्वायर. सो 6 इंटू यहाँ पे 3 दिया है, सो दैट मीन्स 3 स्क्वायर. सो 6 इंटू 3 3 ज़ा 9. सो 6 9 ज़ा 54 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Now second one, same we have to do. The total surface area of cube equals to 6 into length square. So 6 into 5 square. So 5 5s are 25. 6 into 25. So that will be equals to 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 3 50 centimeter square. Similarly we have to do third one. The total surface area of cubes equals to 6 into length square. So 6 into length is 7 decimal 2 square. So 6 into 72 का square is, see how you will find out. 70 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49, 50, 4 8 1 5. So 5 and 8. After multiplication we get 311 decimal 04 square centimeter. Similarly we have to find out this, the total surface area of cubes equals to 6 into length square, that is 6 into 6.8 square. So 6 into 6.8 is 46.24. So after multiplication we get 277 decimal 44 meters square. Now fifth one, the total surface area of cubes equals to 6 into length square, 6 into 5 decimal 5 meters square. So 6 into 5 decimal 5, that is 30 decimal 25. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Okay, like this, 5 decimal 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 26, 27. 5 5s are 25, 5 are 25, 26, 27. before 2 decimals. So 30.25. Further, when we multiply 6 5s are, so we get 181.5 meter square. Find the total surface area of the cuboids of length, breadth and height. So first question, find the total surface area of the cuboid of length, breadth and height. So here for sums they have given measure, length is 12, breadth is 10 and length, breadth and height of cuboid is 5, height is 5 centimeter. So what they have asked, we have to find out total surface area. So the total surface area of cuboids equals to length into breadth into 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So 2 into, now what is length? 12 into breadth 10 plus breadth is 10 into height is 5, then height is 5 into length is 12. So 2 into this 12 into 10 120, 10 into 5 50, 5 into 12 60. When we 2 into add all this, 120 plus 60 is 180, 180 plus 50 is 230. So that is equals to 460 centimeter square. So therefore the total surface area of cuboid is 460 centimeter square. Second sums, 5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter and 1.4 centimeter. So first we will mention length is equal to this much, breadth and height. After mentioning length, breadth, height, write the formula. The total surface area of cuboid is equals to 2 the whole bracket multiply length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, and then this 2 into length into breadth, that is 5 into 3.5, then plus breadth into height, so 3.5 into height 1.4, then plus 1.4 into 5. So now 2. So after multiplying this you get 17.5 plus multiplying this 4.9 plus 7. After adding 2 into 29.4. After multiplication 58.8 centimeter square. So the total surface area of the cuboid is 58.8 centimeter square. Third sums, Again 3 measures are given, so we have to mention length, breadth and height, and then write formula, the total surface area of a cuboid. So formula is 2 into bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, and then we have to put values. So length into breadth, that means this 2.5 into 2, then breadth into height, so 2 into 2.4, and then height into length, so do 4 into 2.5. So after multiplying this we get 5, and this 4.8, and this we get 6. So after adding 5 plus 6 11, 11.11, and this 15.8. So after multiplication we get 31.6 meter square. So total surface area of a cuboid. Let's see fourth sums. First mention length, breadth, height, then total surface area of a cuboid. Formula is 2 into whole bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. 8 into 5 plus 5 into 3.5 plus 3.5 into 8. So 2 into 8 5s are 40, 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 15, 16, 17.5. 5s are 44, 8 are 24, 28. So 2 into, we have to add this 68 and this 85.5. After multiplication you get 171 meters square. So the total surface area of a cuboid is 171 meters square. Third question. A matchbox is 4 cm long, 2.5 cm broad and 1.5 cm in height. Its outer side are to be covered exactly with craft paper. So how much paper will be required to do so? Now what they are asking over there, there is a matchbox. So length, breadth and height is given. To cover how much paper is required. So that means total surface area of matchbox we have to find out. So here we have length 2.5 cm, breadth 1.5 cm, height, this is breadth and this is height, breadth and height, and this is length. Length is 4 cm. So the total surface area of matchbox is of cuboid shape. So cuboid is equals to 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So here we have 2 into length into breadth. Length is what? 4 into 2.5 plus 2.5 into 1.5 and then 1.5 into 4. So 2 into for this 10, then when you multiply this you get 3.75, and then when you multiply this you get 6. So I hope you all know how to multiply decimal numbers. See, 2.5 multiplied by 1.5. So 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 5, and 1 number 1. एक नंबर के पहले डेसिमल और ये भी. So 1 plus 1 2. So before 2 number it's a decimal. So like this. Then after adding everything, 10 plus 6, 16 plus 19, 19 decimal 75. So after multiplying we get 39 decimal 5 centimeter square. So this is the craft paper required for covering the match box. Let's see the last sums. An open box of length this, breadth this and height this much is to be made for use on a trolley for carrying garden waste. How much sheet metal will be required to make this box? The inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted with rust proof paint at a rate of 150 rupees per square meter. How much will it cost to paint the box? पहले क्वेश्चन का मतलब समझते हैं. बोल रहे कि ना एक गार्डन के वेस्ट होते ना, सूखे पत्ते डाली, वैसा कचरा उठाने के लिए एक ट्रॉली टाइप ऐसा रेक्टेंगुलर ट्रॉली बनाना है. तो जिसका ना लेंथ ब्रेथ और हाइट है, बट यहाँ का ऊपर का ओपन रहेगा. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए कितना शीट लगेगा वो ट्रॉली बनाने के लिए, दैट दे हैव आस्क्ड. एंड देन अगर इसको बाहर से और अंदर से पेंट करेंगे तो कितना खर्चा होगा. So let's see. First we will find out area. Okay, surface area sheet. So here length is given 4 centimeter, breadth is 2.5, sorry, length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 1 meter and height is 1 meter. Okay, so first we have to find out the total surface area of box. So that will be, see, but for total surface area we need 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. But here we are not using this. ये वाला जो हो गया लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, ये हम ऊपर के साइड में नहीं यूज़ कर रहे. सो यहाँ का 2 नहीं होगा. दिस इज़ व्हाट 2 इंटू लेंथ प्लस 2 इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट प्लस, यानी ये 2 है, ये 2 है, बट ये 2 नहीं है क्योंकि ऊपर का कवर नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला, ये बॉक्स के लिए फॉर्मूला चेंज हो जाएगा. ये 2 सिर्फ इनके लिए आएगा, इसके लिए नहीं आएगा. सो यह फॉर्मूला विल बी लिटिल डिफरेंट. यहाँ से 2 हटा देंगे और बाकी 2 को 2 दे देंगे. दैट मीन्स 2 इंटू ब्रेथ इंटू हाइट प्लस 2 इंटू लेंथ इंटू हाइट. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर पुटिंग वैल्यूज लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, सो 1.5 इंटू 1 plus 2 into breadth into height. So breadth into height is 1 into 1. Then 2 into height into length. So height is 1, length is 1.5. So here 1.5 plus 2 ones are 2. Here 2 into 1.5, that will be 3. After adding all this, we get 6.5 meters square. Now, this is area of this open ट्रॉली बॉक्स. ये इतना एरिया ढूंढ लिया हमने शीट का. अब इसको बाहर से और अंदर से पेंट करना है. सो दैट मीन डबल हो जाएगा एरिया. सो एरिया विल बी डबल्ड. सो एरिया फॉर पेंटिंग डबल हो जाएगा ना, इनसाइड एंड आउटसाइड. सो 2 into 6.5. So that will be 13 meters square. So cost of painting will be 13 into, यहाँ पे क्या दिया है 150, ओके, पर स्क्वायर मीटर. सो 150 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन से 150 into 13. सो 0 लास्ट में लेंगे. 3 5 15, 1 कैरी, 3 1 3 4, 1 5 5, 1 1 1, 5 9 1, और ये जो 0 है वो. सो 1950 rupees. Okay, so this is the sums.